Opening an account on Wise is surprisingly easy. Just visit wise.com, sign up with your email, verify your ID with a passport or driver's license, and your account is ready for transfers within minutes. Wise money transfer rates are among the best because they use the real mid-market exchange rate without unnecessary markups. Unlike traditional banks that hide extra charges within poor exchange rates, Wise shows you the actual rate you'll get before you even transfer a penny. When it comes to Wise money transfer fees, the platform is crystal clear. There's a small fixed fee plus a percentage depending on the amount and the destination country. For example, sending $1,000 from the USA to India could cost you less than $5, far cheaper than banks or PayPal. If you want to check Wise transfer rate live, log into your Wise dashboard or use the Wise app. But here's an insider tip not commonly found online. You can also preview exchange rates for future dates by initiating a dummy transfer and selecting guaranteed rate hold, which can lock in a favorable rate for 24 to 72 hours, depending on the currency. For checking Wise money transfer charges before confirming the transaction, simply enter the sending and receiving currencies and the amount. Wise will instantly show you the breakdown, including fees, estimated arrival time, and the total amount the recipient will get. No hidden surprises. A little-known trick. If you're planning multiple transfers, Wise borderless account users get even better Wise transfer rates and sometimes lower Wise money transfer fees compared to standalone transfers. Want a head start? Use discount code WISE. 10 first when signing up. You can get your first transfer free for amounts up to $500. Wise's transparency around Transferwise fees and charges makes it the go-to choice for individuals and small businesses alike. Start today and enjoy fast, secure, and economical international money transfers with Wise.